Hello there, today I will show you how to fix a sponsor request limit reached on Cash App. A sponsor request limit reached on Cash App error means you have reached the maximum number of sponsored account you can manage as a sponsor, or that the sponsored account has reached its limit for certain action. So, how you can fix it? First, open Cash App to your device and log into your account. After login, select your profile icon from the top right corner. Then you will see your account section here. Then scroll down and search for support here. Then from just tap on it. Then on the search bar, type remove a sponsor. From here, you will see a bunch of options. Select your preferred one, then canceling a sponsorship, and here you will see how you can use canceling a sponsorship. Sponsorships can be cancelled by the sponsor through Cash App support. So to get their support, scroll down a little bit and select chat from here. Then from this page, type this type of message: I would like to cancel a sponsorship from my account. And after type it, they will be fixed the issue for you. And that's it. That's how you can fix a sponsorship sponsor request limit reached.